with food allergies. That's quite a number. Do you know what the most common types of food allergies are? Right. Tonight I will inform you, I'm one of those people with food allergies. I'm going to teach you what food allergies are and how they affect the body. Next you'll learn what the most common food allergies are. Lastly, we'll close with the diagnosis and treatment of this disease. Many have heard the term food allergies, yet they're very unclear what it means. According to MayoClinic.com, food allergies are the immune responses to eating certain foods. Our immune system is our body's defense system. Without it, we would be very ill. When someone eats a food that they are allergic to, the body mistakes it as a foreign invader, and thus the body needs to get rid of it. This is done by different chemicals being released into the bloodstream. The smallest amount of food triggers the response, and thus the body needs to get rid of it. The chemical for this response is histamine. Histamine is responsible for the watery eyes, itchy throat, and runny nose. Let's now move on to what the most common food allergies are. As you guys mentioned, peanuts was one of them. According to Food Allergy Research and Education, only 8 foods are responsible for 90% of all food reactions in the United States. These include peanuts, tree nuts, soy, milk, eggs, wheat, fish, and shellfish. I myself am allergic to peanuts, tree nuts, and soy. Other individuals have allergies to fruit and vegetables, to your surprise. I also have allergies to apples, bananas, tomatoes, and carrots. This is due to oral allergy syndrome, or OAS. OAS is a cross-reaction to pollen. Pollen is absorbed through the skin of the fruit and vegetable, and the individual eats it, according to the American Academy of Allergies, Asthma, and Immunology. Let's now wrap up by understanding the diagnosis and treatment of food allergies. Individuals who believe they have food allergies should seek consultation from an allergist. They should ask a variety of questions to determine whether they have allergies or not. The allergist may do a skin prick test. According to the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, a skin prick test uses a needle to prick the skin and places some of the supposed food on the skin. The individual will wait 15 minutes, and if there's a red bump, there's a reaction. And I will show you, as you guys saw before, what the skin prick test looks like.
I think it's turning on.
Right, well, you guys saw it before. Individuals can have a bump, but not necessarily have a food allergy. Therefore, the doctor will make the call based on the medical history provided. As of today, there are no current treatments for food allergies. But there is. And as you can see, if there's a red bump after 15 minutes, then the person has a reaction. But as I previously said, it doesn't mean that they necessarily have a food allergy. Finish over here then. They function fine without eating foods, as I was saying before about there are no current treatments. Just people avoid the foods that they know they are allergic to. But people with food allergies have to worry about cross-contamination, because if they eat at a restaurant that cooks in peanut oil or has nuts in a salad or something like that, they could have cross-contamination. And it's also important for individuals to read food labels. So let's recap what we've learned today. Today we learned what food allergies are and how they affect the body. We also learned about the most common types of food allergies. Lastly, we learned about the diagnosis and the treatment of food allergies. You are now more informed about food allergies, and perhaps you could help somebody who's in need of help and assistance with food allergies.